Tyler and Pat and William. Everybody's here. Time to decorate the castle. Why? Because it's that time of year. Look at them go. Decorating is an art, so express yourselves. Okay, more decorations. Oh, don't forget the banner. Perfect. Oh, fruitcake.
Olaf?
Oh, here come my friends. Everyone, hi.
Olaf. Oh, have any of you seen... Oh, my.
Ahoy, happy Liz?
Surprise!
Olaf, you did this?
With help from my helpful little helpers. Holiday surprise for my friends.
Oh.
I guess it's the thought that counts.
Thank you, little siblings. Now off to bed. Off you go. No pushing, William. Good, Snow Peas. Do you like your surprise?
Oh, we love it. But maybe it could use a little more something.
I know just the something it means. May I?
You may. Oh, so that's how you spell happy holidays.
I don't know. I still think it's missing something.
Oh, yeah!
Now it's time for our holiday surprise.
We proudly present...
The Yule Bell.
Anna, you brought the Yule Bell from Arendelle?
That's right. Oh, I mean, Kristoff and Sven helped a little.
A little?
Did I say a little? What I meant to say was thank you for all of your help.
You're welcome.
Now we can ring in the season with all of our friends here. It's the first Christmas in forever since we opened up the gate. And it's the first Christmas I remember to date. And it's already worth the wait. Look at all the joy, and it's everywhere. I feel the Christmas spirit in the air. And the party will start at the strike of noon. And we'll ring in the season so soon. And it's almost time to ring the bell. We'll hear it chime through Arendelle. It's finally here and it's happening fast. We'll make up the road we have missed in the past. It's time to celebrate as we ring in the season. Oh, let the holidays begin!
Oh, before we go, I have a holiday surprise too.
Oh, you do?
What is it?
Well, it's what makes the holiday season so special.
Oh, I know. Is it presents?
Something better than gifts.
Must be sweet.
No,
Games?
not that either.
Well, what else is there?
Time with those we love.
Oh, Elsa.
Being able to share a special moment with friends and family is what makes this season.
Our favorite time of year. I would travel miles and miles and I would follow any star. I'd go almost any place if it's any place you are. It's when we're together, I'll forever feel at home. And when we're together, we'll stay safe and warm. Doesn't matter where we are, if you're there with me. 'Cause when we're together, that's my stay forever. And when we're together,
It's my favorite
time
on
Whoa! Look at all that ice!
Oh, Elsa! Oh, it's so beautiful.
Now that's a holiday surprise.
May we keep the love of this season in our hearts all year long.
Ahoy, happy lids! I mean, happy holidays!
Thanks for bringing in the season with us.
Warm holiday hugs for everyone.
Friends and family, I hope you enjoyed the frozen holiday surprise, yeah? Spending the holidays together is so nice, like a sauna. Now go to enjoy the rest of your night and let it be merry and bright.